Are you thinking about what to prepare for your breakfast, for lunch, or for snacks? Try this simple, delicious onion pepper puff puff. You will love it. This method is so simple and direct. You see what I have here? Shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Let's get it started. What I'm pouring into this bowl is all-purpose flour. Yes, just normal flour. That is what I'm using. For the exact measurement used, please check the comment section. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add sugar into it. And after that, I'm adding salt. I'll be using the super yeast. It doesn't matter if you add salt into it now or later on. This yeast is super. I'm going to leave the name in the comment section. Pour the yeast into it and now mix everything together. After that, after mixing together, it's now time to be adding water into it. Please add your water bit by bit. Okay, so after that, you make sure you mix it very well. Mixing is very essential when you are making puff puff. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share and comment. Mix thoroughly. Please check the comment section or the description box for the exact measurements you used. Now mix it well. You don't need any machine to mix this. You only need your spatula and your bowl. Mix it well. It's going to come out very smooth, and it will even look creamy. You'll be asking yourself, is this the same dough? Please remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications to be notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you and God bless you. So it's now time to add chopped onion into it. I'll be adding chili flakes. Feel free to use habanero pepper. I used what I have, and it's now time to give it a good mix again, to mix everything together. Let it be well combined. That is it. So after that, it's now time to cover it. I cover with this nylon and I covered with the main cover, and I keep it in a one place until it's double in size. Yes, this is how it came out. You can see it is double in size, and it's now time to start to fry. Pouring vegetable oil into a pot, heat it up, and you can test it with skewer to be sure it is hot enough. I washed my hands and it is moist. My hand is moist, and it's now time to start frying. I don't want this to be too big. I don't want it to be too small. I just want the size that I can take ones like this and put it into my mouth. Yes, this is super and everyone loved it. Try the size. If you haven't tried the size in puff puff, try and do this. I'm sure you're going to love it. It just needs to be turning it until it is golden brown. Yes, everything have to be golden brown, right and left of the puff puff. This is what you're going to have. Do you like what you're looking at? You can now prepare your tea or your coffee or your cocoa drink like Bonvita or Milo. So let me show you how it looks inside out. Check it out. Can you see that pepper there and the onions? It tastes super delicious. Thank you so much for watching.